hate you all. Babe, nakakainis ka. Hello ha? Nandito ka. Babe,
Hindi ko kayang sabihin kasi. Just wait. Hear it.
Ayoko nang mag-background.
Hear it. Never let me
Background music ka. Ayoko lang ba? Pwede mag-adjust mo na. Mga nangyayari.
You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. Dahil sobrang ganda mo, baka hindi ako pumasok. The flowers bloom, the morning shine. Pero naglakas daw pa ako, nalapitan ka dahil hindi ako makatulog sa tuwing iniisip ko. Ngayon, hindi ko lubos akalain na magiging tayo at ginagawa ko ang mga bagay na. At ng araw na sinagot mo ako, babe, over easy. Nararamdam mo na karapat-dapat akong mahalin. Napasalamat ako dahil sa araw na yun, ginawa mo akong pinaka-maswerteng lalaki sa mundo. Tapos dahil sinagot ako ng isang napakaganda, napakabait, napakatalino, napaka-sexy, at higit sa lahat, napaka-mapagmahal. Babe, hayaan mo, huwag kang matakot na baka masanay ka sa mga ginagawa ko. Dahil wala akong balak na itigil tong paglalambing ko sa'yo. Babe, tandaan mo na hindi kita pababayaan. Hindi kita iiwan. Ng panghabang buhay. Dahil at this moment, alam ko na mahal natin ang isa't isa. No one can destroy our strong relationship. Subukan lang nila, isusumbong sila kayo. We will be together forever, and we will break never ever.
Naigalaw mo agad.
Hindi ang building niya, dry and mud. Sensyahan mo na sa simpleng naihanda ko para sa'yo, babe. Pero meron pa akong huling tatanong sa'yo.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have glue to. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that the line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight catches your eyes and your smile. I'm captivated, your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make